So hello everyone, actually we are discussing previous year GATE questions on this topic soil water relationship. So in this video also we'll discuss one more previous year GATE question. So let us read the question carefully. The porosity and the degree of saturation of a soil sample are 0.7 and 40%. Okay, so porosity he has given. Porosity is equal to 0.40, and also what he has given, degree of saturation is 40%. So S is equal to 0.40. This porosity is 0.7. okay, porosity is actually 0.7. okay, so in a 100 meter cube volume of the soil, in a 100 meter cube volume of the soil, so volume is equal to, volume is nothing but total volume, 100 meter cube of the soil. The volume expressed in meter cube of air is, so volume of air he is asking. So porosity he has given, and degree of saturation he has given, and total volume of the soil also he has given. So he asked us to find out the volume of air, and this question is actually 2016 GATE question, and it is asked for 2 marks. So we can easily solve. You just have to use the basic definitions here. So we know that porosity is equal to, what is actually 0.7 is equal to, porosity definition, volume of voids to the total volume, so we know this total volume and this porosity. So volume of voids can be calculated. So volume of voids is equal to 0.7 into 100, 0.7 into 100. So volume of voids is equal to 70 meter cube. So volume of voids is equal to 70 meter cube. But what he has asked in the problem, we have to find out the value of volume of air. That means if we want to calculate the volume of air, we have to know the volume of water. So volume of water, how we can calculate actually? So he has given one more term, that is degree of saturation. From there we can calculate degree of saturation. S is equal to volume of water to the volume of voids. So just now we have calculated volume of voids. So from here volume of water can be calculated. Volume of water is equal to degree of saturation, how much? 0.40 into, so this volume of voids is how much? 70 meter cube. From here volume of water is equal to, think 0.40 into 70, 28 meter cube. Okay, so we have the volume of voids and volume of water. So volume of air can be calculated. So volume of voids is equal to, so volume of voids is equal to volume of air plus volume of water. So volume of voids is 70 meter cube, that is equal to volume of air, it is unknown, that we have to calculate, but volume of water is found out to be 28 meter cube. From here volume of air is equal to how much? 70 minus 28, that is coming around 42 meter cube. So here volume of air is equal to 42 meter cube. So here simple question, so we just have to use the basic definitions only. If you know the basic definition, then we can easily solve this problem. So porosity has given, degree of saturation he has given, total volume also he has given. He just asked us to find out the volume of air. How we can calculate the volume of air? So volume of voids we have to calculate, and volume of water we have to calculate. So volume of air is nothing but the volume of voids minus volume of water. Okay, so this is a simple problem. So in the next video we'll discuss one more previous year GATE question. So thanks for watching my lecture. If you feel the content is useful, please like my channel and subscribe as well. Thank you.